In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a signal provider on MetaTrader 5. Whether you're an aspiring trader wanting to share your successful strategies or a seasoned professional aiming to broaden your portfolio, becoming a signal provider can be an incredibly rewarding venture. So, let's dive in and walk through the steps you need to take to become a signal provider on MetaTrader 5. First, you'll need to either create or sign in to your MQL5.community account. If you're new to this, setting up an account is straightforward. Head over to the MQL5 website and locate the registration section. You'll need to provide some basic details to get started. If you already have an account, simply sign in with your existing credentials. Having an MQL5 account not only connects you with the broader trading community, but also enables you to access a suite of features and resources that will support your journey as a signal provider. Once you're logged into your account, the next step is to ensure that your account has a consistent and robust trading history. This is crucial because it reflects your reliability and trading prowess. The MQL5.community has specific requirements that your trading history must meet to publish a signal. These requirements are in place to maintain a high standard of quality and to ensure that subscribers are receiving reliable and effective signals. So, take some time to review your trading history closely. Ensure that you meet these criteria and make any necessary adjustments to your trading strategy if needed. With a solid trading history in hand, it's time to navigate to the signals section on the MQL5 website. This area of the site is dedicated to helping you manage and publish your trading signals. Once there, you'll find an option to register on the right side of the page. Click on this link to begin the registration process for your signal. After clicking on register, you will be guided through a series of on-screen prompts. These prompts are designed to collect all the necessary information and configurations related to your trading signals. It's essential to follow these carefully and provide accurate information. During this process, you might need to specify certain parameters related to your trading account and your strategy. Take your time to ensure that each detail aligns with your trading goals and the requirements set by the MQL5.community. By carefully following these steps, you are well on your way to becoming a signal provider on MetaTrader 5. The process might seem straightforward, but attention to detail is key. Whether you're looking to gain a following or share your insights with a global audience, becoming a signal provider is a satisfying way to contribute to the trading community. Thank you for watching and happy trading.